Welcome back to Celeb Top 10s, where we go behind the headlines and bring you the real stories from the world of entertainment. Smash that like button, subscribe, and once you're done, let us know in the comments. Which of these legal sagas sideswiped your expectations? Ready? Let's dive in.
And I never wanted to be anything else from the 6th grade on.
At number 5, we have the fall from grace that keeps on falling. Disgraced attorney Tom Girardi, once the hero lawyer behind the Erin Brockovich case. Girardi's empire came crashing down in spectacular fashion. This 85-year-old legal titan was sentenced to 7 years in federal prison in June for stealing over $15 million from his own clients, many of them plane crash victims and wildfire survivors who desperately needed their settlement monies. But here's the kicker. Even after his conviction and sentencing, new victims keep coming forward. His former CFO, Christopher Kamen, got an even harsher sentence, 10 years behind bars for helping orchestrate what prosecutors called a Ponzi-like scheme. Meanwhile, his ex-wife, Erica Jane, from Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, is still dealing with the fallout from their messy divorce. The man who once lived in luxury mansions and threw lavish parties for celebrities is now spending his final years behind bars. But the legal mess isn't over. Civil cases are still piling up, and more victims are demanding justice. Should lawyers who betray their clients face even harsher punishment?
You can't say no.
No, you can. That's what I'm saying. You can. You can say no.
Just go. Just go. Just go.
Number 4 takes us to reality TV royalty gone wrong. Stephen McBee Sr., the cowboy patriarch from McBee Dynasty, found himself in a very expensive pickle this September after pleading guilty to a massive crop insurance fraud scheme worth millions. Prosecutors ordered him to hand over 3 of his prized luxury watches: a Tag Heuer Formula One, a Grand Carrera, and a Rolex Daytona. Why? They want substitute assets to help repay the $3 million he fraudulently claimed. His sentencing keeps getting delayed, which has fans speculating about what's really going on behind the scenes. The FBI investigation into his business dealings has turned his family's reality show dreams into a legal nightmare. Would you rather lose your expensive jewelry collection or face decades in prison? The McBee family's fall from grace shows how quickly fortune can turn to misfortune when the law catches up with you.
Turn that down. I mean, I should be praised like a king.
I think this is shameful, and Scott Wolf has been abusing me, and now you're abusing me more.
At number 3, we have a custody battle that spiraled completely out of control. Kelly Wolf, known from The Real World New Orleans, is facing the fight of her life. Literally, she's been hit with 3 separate criminal charges for harassment and doxing her ex-husband, actor Scott Wolf. The allegations: she allegedly showed up at his home uninvited and posted his phone number online for the world to see. Now she's banned from any contact with Scott or their 3 children. She has to stay 300 feet away unless they're in court-ordered mediation. But here's where it gets really intense. Kelly checked herself into rehab just days before a crucial custody hearing on September 30th. Her supporters say she's getting the help she needs, but critics question the timing. Is this genuine recovery or legal strategy? The hashtag #JachoKellyStrong has been trending, with fans taking sides in this very public family drama. Whatever happens next, 3 kids are caught in the middle of this mess.
You made some comments to your dad and comments to people that are concerning.
You might want to turn this off.
Sure you're okay.
It's on. This is shameful, gentlemen.
First thing first, I want to thank my lawyers. I want to thank the jurors. I want to thank the judge.
Coming in at number 2, Cardi B just scored one of the biggest legal victories of the year. Security guard Amani Ellis sued the rapper for $24 million, claiming Cardi assaulted her during a heated encounter at a Los Angeles doctor's office in 2018. Ellis alleged that Cardi's long fingernails scratched her and left permanent scars. But here's the thing. Cardi was 4 months pregnant at the time and dealing with intense media scrutiny and privacy invasion. She fought these allegations tooth and nail, telling the jury, "I swear to God, I never touched that woman." The jury believed her, taking less than an hour to clear her on all counts. Cardi broke down in tears outside the courthouse, thanking her legal team and admitting she'd missed her kid's first day of school because of this ordeal. Her victory is especially sweet because it came just as she's gearing up for a major world tour. Sometimes fighting back really does pay off.
So don't you ever think that you're gonna sue me and I'm just gonna settle and just give me my money. It's not gonna happen.
And our number one story rocks the very foundation of music history. Priscilla Presley, Elvis's ex-wife and keeper of his legacy, is facing the most shocking allegations imaginable. A newly amended lawsuit claims she exerted undue pressure on Elvis in his final months, including placing a $500,000 lien on Graceland just months before his death in August 1977. But here's the bombshell. The lawsuit alleges this financial pressure contributed to the stress that led to his fatal heart attack. Priscilla and her legal team are calling these claims despicable, saying she was only protecting her own interests. But if these allegations stick, they could completely rewrite how we remember the king and queen of rock and roll. The Presley estate has been in legal battles for decades, but this might be the most explosive claim yet. Elvis fans are divided. Some are defending Priscilla, while others are demanding answers about what really happened in those final months at Graceland. But wait, September wasn't done with the drama. Our honorable mentions prove 2025 is the year of celebrity legal chaos. Jay-Z is suing a woman who falsely accused him of seeking damages after she admitted her story was fabricated. That's a $20 million defamation case that could set new precedents. Meanwhile, Metro Boomin just wrapped up his sexual assault trial in Los Angeles, with Young Thug showing up to support him in court. The jury's still out on that one. And don't sleep on the Michael Jackson estate drama. Accusers Wade Robson and James Safechuck are demanding a jaw-dropping $400 million in damages, while Paris Jackson is fighting to stop the estate from paying endless legal fees. Even Taylor Swift got dragged into court drama when a man was arrested trying to serve her papers at Travis Kelce's house for the Blake Lively-Justin Baldoni lawsuit. So there you have it, the most shocking celebrity legal battles that rocked September 2025. Which story shocked you the most? Do you think justice was served? Or are some of these celebrities getting away with too much? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to tell us which honorable mention you think deserved to make the top 5. Smash that like button. If you want more weekly deep dives into celebrity drama, hit subscribe so you never miss an update and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and remember, in Hollywood, the real drama happens in the courtroom. See you next week!